Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and granting permissions. This lets the auto clicker simulate touches reliably. Open the Target app, then launch the auto clicker and choose overlay or floating mode so controls are visible. Once done, select the click type, single, double, or long press, and tap to capture the first coordinate. Make sure to adjust for screen orientation and DPI. That prevents misaligned clicks when the device rotates. Now you're ready to configure timing and sequences. Now you configure how and when clicks occur. First, set the interval precisely. Use milliseconds for fast tasks or a random range to mimic human variation. Next, create a sequence by adding additional coordinates. Reorder steps so actions follow the app's flow. Once the sequence looks right, choose repetition mode. A set count, a time duration, or continuous until you stop it. Make sure to preview in slow mode to verify timing before full speed runs, because timing errors cause misclicks. Begin with a short test run and watch how the clicks land. You want visual confirmation that actions trigger the expected responses. Use pause/resume hotkeys and the stop button during live runs. Make sure to include brief cooldowns between repetitive tasks to reduce detection risk. If things go wrong, recalibrate coordinates, regrant accessibility or overlay permissions, and test with slower intervals. Finally, log any errors the app shows. That helps you pinpoint whether it's permissions, screen scaling, or sequence ordering causing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.